Now it's time to put the words where they belong. So go ahead.
This is going to be easy.
Good.
I know where this one goes.
This word sorting activity is great for making your child or a student see very clearly how the same sound can be represented in many different ways. This can be very tricky for many children to understand, as you may already know, so this is a very powerful activity to add to your repertoire. It is also an excellent activity to work on your child's spelling skills. I'm sure you're gonna understand why after watching this video. So the sound that we're going to focus on today is the sound, which can be represented in quite a few ways in English. It can be represented with the letter F, with the double F, PH, GH, LF, FT. These are the words that we're going to sort out, and for this activity I have a very special helper. Okay, can you read these words out loud, please?
Yep. Leaf, say, half, face, photo, rough, fun, soften, cliff, elephant, calf, dolphin, off, tough, often.
Very good. So now you know what to do?
Yeah, but I want to read these out.
Okay. Exactly. That's exactly right. Now it's time to put the words where they belong. So
Okay,
go ahead.
This is going to be easy.
Good.
I know where this one goes.
Oops. Just take it. It's okay. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, this one's easy. This one's also easy.
Ooh.
It flies all over the place.
That's all right. That's all right. Where does it go? Cliff. Very
If
good.
it doesn't work, well, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
This one has to.
Cliff.
Here. Soften. I do not know what that means.
Where do you think it goes?
Here.
Very good. You pronounce it soften. Many people pronounce it soften. And that one, how do you pronounce it?
Often.
Many people pronounce it often.
Some people pronounce it often. I am putting this here. Yeah, this one works. Photo, photo, photo.
Where does it go?
Photo, photo goes here.
We need more static energy.
Right, by the way, these are called static notes.
That's correct.
They
That
don't
one.
have glue.
No, they don't.
Nope. Not glue.
Very convenient, but they don't seem to work very well
Yeah,
today. For the video, of course.
This
Okay, where does it go?
here.
Ooh.
And this one here. This one works really well. But there's another one that doesn't work.
Okay, try the one that didn't work again. Oh, that one, where does it go? 2 F's. Yeah.
Yeah. And try face again.
Okay.
It goes all the time.
Oops. No, not that one. Definitely not that one. But that was face under just 1 F. Oops,
No,
not
that
that one
doesn't
either. Okay, well done. Good job. If you like this activity, this is one of the many activities that you can find on the book How to Teach a Child to Read from Scratch, step by step. If you want to get a free copy of this book, at the time of recording, I'm still giving you the opportunity to get a free copy, but I'm not sure for how much longer though. You'll find all the details on how to get your free copy on the video description. Bye!